Have you seen those beautiful images going viral on social media? They look like they're straight out of a Studio Ghibli movie, like Spirited Away or My Neighbor Totoro. These pictures have a dreamy, magical feeling, and people are calling them Ghibli-style images. They're super popular right now. These images are made using AI, artificial intelligence, and one of the most popular tools to create them is from ChatGPT, powered by OpenAI. ChatGPT can help you make these Ghibli-style pictures, but there's a small limit. You can only make 2 or 3 images each day for free. If you want to make as many as you want, you have to pay about $20 a month. Now, not everyone wants to pay for that, especially if you're just doing it for fun or trying something new. That's why many people have started using another tool called Grok AI. It also lets you create these trending images for free. But here's the thing, so many people are using Grok that it often gets too busy and doesn't work properly. Oh, and if you want to know how to use Grok AI to make Ghibli-style images, make sure to check out my last video. But now I've got something even better for you. In this video, I'm going to show you free websites where you can make your own Ghibli-style images for free. That's right, no payment, no wait, and no complicated setup. These websites are easy to use, fun, and perfect for anyone. I'm going to use the same image prompt for each AI tool, so we can easily compare the results and see which one gives the best output. First, let's start with Clipfly.ai. Go to Clipfly AI. Below the prompt box, you'll see a feature called AI Ghibli Maker. Click on that. A new dashboard will open up. Here, you'll see 2 options, one for creating a Ghibli-style video and another for a Ghibli-style image. Choose the Ghibli-style image option. Now, upload your photo. In the prompt box, type, turn the image into a Ghibli-style photo. You can also choose the specific Ghibli style you want from the available options. Once everything is ready, click Generate. In just a few seconds, your image will be ready. After that, simply download it and you're done. Next, we'll try using insmind.com. First, go to insmind.com and log in. Once you're in, look for the feature called AI Photo to Ghibli and click on it. This will take you to a new dashboard. Now, upload your photo.
Wow!
You'll see several different Ghibli-style options. Choose the one you like best, then click Generate. In just a few seconds, your Ghibli-style image will be ready. Once it's done, simply download it. Now, let's move on to the third tool, FlexClip. Go to FlexClip Ghibli. Once you're there, you'll see an option to upload your image. Click to the Upload Image and choose the photo you want to use. After uploading, select the Ghibli style you like and then click Generate. In just a few seconds, your Ghibli-style image will be ready. Once it's done, go ahead and download it. And that's how you can easily create beautiful Ghibli-style images. It's a fun way to turn your photos into something magical and share them with your family and friends. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more.